Now let us discuss planes in three-dimensional geometry. Actually, what is a plane? A plane is a surface such that the line segments joining any 2 points on that surface lies completely on it. Any surface on which we consider 2 points and the line segments joining those 2 points, if it is seen lies completely on the surface, we say it to be a plane. Then equation to a plane. There are different forms of equation of a plane, which I'll discuss. First, namely normal form. In that case, a plane is considered at a distance, at a perpendicular distance d from the origin, as in this figure, this parallelogram, which is a plane surface of that parallelogram. It is a plane normal to ON. ON is the normal directed away from the origin, and it is at a distance d. If you take a point P on the surface, P, H, Y, Z, then vector OP is denoted as vector R. And how to form the equation? If this plane is at a perpendicular distance of d units from the origin and the unit vector along ON is n cap, then ON vector can be written as d n cap, and the vector Pn, that means a vector perpendicular to vector ON. If we consider two mutually perpendicular vectors, then their dot product will be 0. We get the equation of the plane using that concept. Let Pxyz with the position vector r equals xi plus yj plus zk be a point on the plane drawn perpendicular to the normal ON, which is d units away from the origin O. Now distance ON is equal to d. Then vector ON will be equal to d multiplied by unit vector along ON. That is, vector ON is equal to d n cap. From the figure, vector ON dot vector Pn equals 0. Now this Pn can be written as vector ON minus vector OP, that is position vector of the terminal point minus position vector of the initial point. Now ON dot ON is equal to ON square, a scalar, minus ON dot OP equals 0. Now ON square is simply d square, because the distance ON is d. Then vector ON is d n cap dot vector OP is vector r. D square minus d n cap dot vector r is equal to 0. Shifting this term to the right, d square is equal to d r dot n dividing by d. We divide by d on both sides, then d is equal to r dot n, or we can say the vector equation of a plane at a distance, at a perpendicular distance d units from the origin can be represented as vector r dot n cap equals d. The vector equation is vector r dot n cap equals d.